Doctor, my girlfriend is not feeling fine. She's using this thing to support herself.
What we have to do now is, I think...
Take this one, doctor.
Sorry, from the look of things, I don't see anything wrong with that.
Thank God.
But I need to take her home for proper checkup.
Proper checkup.
Baby, no now. Let me follow him home for proper checkup.
Trust me, G. You know I shall soonest. Your money now, your money. I can't balance.
If you have corona, just call this number. Your problem is over.
But I've told you now, I don't have cure for coronavirus. I'm small doctor, I dey kill mosquito well.
Bring the heat, Clancy.
Talk to Amaka, yeah. Which one I go choose? And I they give him nigga. Give up.
Yes, brother, come in. Yeah, welcome to SDO Ministry. Osham, sit down.
No, I was not looking for... I was looking for you to send my Bitcoin.
We have the right source for you. AJ Global Ventures. They buy Bitcoins and trade all types of gift cards. Don't worry, just come and have your seat.
Hi, please have your seat.
Now we are going to pray a dangerous prayer. Tell neighbor. What happened to you will happen to me. What happened to me will happen to you.
What happened to me, we happen to